Solar system for us was a little bit of a no-brainer really. We live in a sun trap here. The house is orientated in just about a perfect position. We always thought that the idea of getting some free energy from the sky was a great idea, and that we should just take advantage of it. Definitely with the increased costs of electricity generation shortages, we think that we're helping out and doing our bit, and we're going to benefit from it as well, financially, and just a little bit of independence.
The other one is going to come once a month when I get the power. That's what I'm excited about.
Financing was very simple with the solar energy loan, 1% 3 years, or 0%, and some banks I think offering 4 years. Very, very easy.
I'm excited for being able to plug my electric car in and not have to go to public charges. We always knew that the free charging for the EVs was going to have a limited life. We're starting to find that those free charging opportunities are getting fewer and fewer. More EVs, of course, so waiting times are getting longer. This for us was a huge incentive to get along with installing the solar system sooner rather than later.